Hi again, Sandra. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. I thought it would be interesting if we had a little follow-on chat from our results that we got from the safety test. So, what was it? What was your score again?
9.4 on fairness. Yours?
And mine was 5.7 on autonomy. And I suppose on its own, we can kind of guess what each of those mean. But I see you waving a book there, Sandra, because you've got such a good collection on psychological safety.
Yeah.
And I think that goes through the different meanings of the acronyms in the model.
Mm,
Can you tell us a
yeah.
little bit more about that?
Sure. So, safety comprises not surprisingly, six different descriptions. S is for security, so that's around predictability, having some commitment, some kind of consistency. Autonomy, your particular domain, comes up as the need for control and having choices, being able to influence the choices you've got. Fairness, not surprisingly, a need to exchange experiences and having order and kind of fairness overall. Esteem is about needing to feel regarded highly. Trust is about being protected and feeling like you belong. And the Y stands for you, your biases, your personality profile, and how you're influenced. So, really fascinating.
Really interesting, and our partnership of work, even actually, we've taken some time to discuss our interpretations, just have an open discussion about your your tendency for the fairness, scoring on fairness, and mine on the autonomy. And I think even that as a starting point for some teamwork is a really good place to start. What would be your advice maybe to some teams or small groups that were thinking of taking this test and discussing it?
I think it's the openness of what the term means. So I've actually run the test with some students that I've taught, and we've all sat around a table. People have volunteered which one of the acronyms has come up for them. And it's having that open dialogue around what does that mean? How can we build communication? How can we build trust? And actually, some stuff has come up as being fascinating, really, really good to build strong, reliable, high performing teams.
Yeah, I think that could have a really important place at the start of a certain phase or a new team project. It's interesting to see when we shared within our networks that quite a lot of people straight away came on and did the test and shared it publicly. So that's also, and we're happy to discuss it and present it even on the LinkedIn comments. So I guess that's even a key to leaders and to team builders, that there is that interest and want. If someone wants to do that publicly, they'd quite happily probably do it in a safe space with other team members and with someone facilitating, in terms of sharing that and at the minimum creating team bonding, but also perhaps influencing team performance. So it's really, really interesting. And hopefully at some point, Sandra, we'll have a chance to do that as well with some teams to look at performance. Lovely
Mm.
chat today, and we'll catch up again soon.
See you soon.